Seweina Lighting, established in 2017 and based in Guzhen Town, Zhongshan City, China's lighting capital, specializes in LED lighting for commercial applications. Our 3,000 square meter facility focuses on magnetic and built-in strip lights like LED shelf and cabinet lights, complemented by power rails and connectors. These products are widely used in supermarkets, retail, and convenience stores. We maintain a flawless production line with strict quality control from raw materials to packaging, ensuring all products meet CE standards. Seweina can supply over 100,000 high-quality LED lamps monthly. With an in-house R&D team, we hold multiple invention and utility model patents. Our experienced sales team has partnered with nearly 20 countries across Europe, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. Recognizing the importance of environmental sustainability, Seweina is committed to producing energy-efficient LED solutions that reduce carbon footprints. We also offer custom design services to meet specific customer requirements. Seweina Lighting always puts customer service and product development first. We will continue to strive to provide customers with excellent quality local lighting solutions and become the leading global LED manufacturer. For any interest or suggestions regarding our products, please contact us. We look forward to working with you as a partner and friend.